What is going on, guys? I am back. I'm going to revamp this channel to teach y'all how to get into affiliate marketing pretty cheap and easy. And if that's something you're interested in, you get value out of this video, do me a favor, on your way in, go ahead and subscribe and click that thumbs up button until it's blue. And I'm going to show y'all an easy way to get leads every day into a system I promote. This is the system right here, and we're going to log in. And now, in any affiliate marketing business, you're going to need a couple things. One, you're going to need a recurring monthly income. Then you're going to need a mid-ticket and a high ticket. Well, I'm going to say low, mid, and high. But first thing you do is you come in here, and this is multiple income funnel. You can't join just by clicking onto the internet into it. You have to have a invitation link. So I'll have links in the description below this video for you in case you want to check it out, which would be great. And but anyway, the first thing you do when you go here, join this Facebook group. Several people in here making lots of money with this, and this was built by a 7-8-figure earner, I think. And I know several people in here that have made upwards of 6-7 figures with this system, and it's only been out about a year, a little over a year now, I think. And it's one of the systems I promote pretty heavily, and I'm gonna show you how to promote it. But first, let's when you go here, you watch this video. Like I said, join the Facebook group. Then you go here, set up your incomes, and as you get each income set up, this is going to be for the system. This is for the system itself, and this is the second part of it, power lead system. And then you got a text bot, and then this is a traffic system you can use to go ahead and get traffic, buy traffic for it. Plus you got bonus income streams, which are also traffic. But as you complete each one, you'll see this will be in, I believe, red, and then as you complete it, then you can go to then you'll go to green. Anyway, but you don't have to do all these at once. Like I said, the first part of it, after you join the Facebook group, go to just join it. It's $49 a month, and then anybody you get under you, as you're promoting it, you'll receive a recurring income as long as they stay within the system for $20 a month. A lot of people made more money just off the system itself than anything else. But I'm going to show you how I promote it here with my lead gen secrets. And I'm going to suggest, and there'll be a link in the description too of this video. I'm going to suggest you start out with at least 2 of these accounts, preferably 4 or 5. I've got 4 at the moment, but let me log in here. I'm going to show you, and you can log in with the, just variations of the username. You can use the same password, same credit card, and everything. I've had this account here for a little while because you see I got 17,500 leads. But what you're going to get with my lead gen secrets is 100 leads per day to start off with. And if you want to get up to 200 leads per day, which is all you can get, you want to daisy chain your accounts. And what I mean by that is, let's go here. This link right here, what you want to do is you want to copy it and put it in your browser paste it in your browser there, and see that link right there? I'll take you right into your first account. So you'll be setting the second one up under yourself. Now, let me go back here. Once you get that done, you see I get 200 leads a day. I'm daisy chained under myself, and as you can see, I've had, like I said, had this a little while to promote mainly the multiple income funnel. And what you do is you'll go to your mailing system here, select all, and I've already sent out my emails for today, but you want to do this every day. You want to set up about 10-15 minutes every day put aside to do this. That's all it takes. And you can see right here, you'll put in a subject line like I did this one up here, and it saves all your emails that you send out. And say, for instance, I wanted to resend, and you can send the same email out again and again. I wouldn't suggest sending it out all the time, but every now and then, if you want to send some of the same emails out, you can. You just hit load, and see it loads the whole thing in for you. And after it loads everything in, or you get everything in that you want, always hit this perfect time. What that'll do is it'll send out the email at the time specific for people that, it knows when people generally open their emails, and it'll send it out around that time. But if you want to, say for instance, not do that, it just, I'm going to do, for example, say, and I'm not the fastest typer in the world, so bear with me. 800 per day, or no, let's take that back. With the multiple income funnel system, you can make up to $5,200 a month if you're all in on it, and somebody comes in all in and on it, underneath you. With this done for you, let's capitalize that. So something like that, 5,200. Let's add money symbol there. Money symbols and amounts of money seem to get a big, I don't know, a better open rate, I should say. Now, you have short codes here you can use if you want. I do use this first name a lot, but you have to make sure you go bracket to bracket and, copy it. Like if you want to put it in here, let's say, oops, there we go, and that'll insert their first name. I did it right here in the email itself. So anyway, that subject line is just for an example. This email I've already sent out, and it's different, but I'm going to use it as an example to show you what I do on these emails. And one is like right here, when you put in this link, hit that little chain icon, put whatever you want to say right here, and here's my actual multiple income funnel link, dedicated to me. And you see it's on my first and right here, this is a tracking tag. You can always put this behind it, /MLGS. And since I got 4 accounts, I always put one my first one ain't numbered, but my other 3 are. So I got 2, 3, and 4 that I put those numbers behind it. And I like, now this is my personal preference, what I like to do is on these links, just to make them stand out, I'll always hit white for the text, and then I'll hit a color box for the generally red for the link itself, and of course it'll show up like that. And those are right here on the top of this email thing. You can also, now this ain't linked right here, but you see it says or click a profile pic for more. I do the same thing with it, just use the blue. Here's what it is, and I've taken one of my Facebook pics with me and my wife here, and show you right there. I've linked it as well. Now, when you do link this, sometimes you'll have to set the protocols for it, which is on MLGS. I think they fixed that to where it automatically does it now. It didn't used to, but HTTPS, semicolon / and let me get out of that right there. But you can see there's the URL for my pic, and what it is when you go to like let me show you. Like right there's my pic that I took or that I had. Just go to copy image address and paste it in there. Now it's going depending on how big your picture is and all that, you can set your width and height right here, and it'll do it automatically. So let's see. Sorry about that. And it'll resize that for you. And then I always add my my contact email here, which is my affiliate business email, and then all you do is it'll have a before you sorry when you pick your email or do your email, it'll have a preview button here, and then a send email. I always preview mine, and I'll do this live, or not live I should say, but I'll actually do it for real in my next video for you to show you exactly everything I do every day. And you see it keeps up with all your leads. But anyway, it'll and that way you'll be able to understand a little better. But also, let's see, I don't want to give everybody's information out with my leads. It keeps track of all of them. You have all their emails and everything. Now, when you first sign up for one of these, it'll try to give you it'll offer you an upsell of these master email swipes. It's up to you if you want to get them or not. It's an extra $30. I don't personally suggest getting them because you can write your own emails if you're anything, or he'll just sometimes what I do, and this is totally up to you. I will take I got a lot of affiliate marketers emails coming into my email box, into my Gmail. I will take some of theirs and make them my own, because a lot of guys are good at that, and I'll just swap out links and stuff like that, and there's nothing wrong with that as long as you change it around and don't copy it word for word. You can do that. This also has recommended advertising, different things you can do, like but these cost a little more money, and I hadn't used none of them as of yet. I might later on down the road, but I hadn't really seen a need for it as of right now. Also, on these emails, how accurate these statistics are, I am not exactly sure. But the only thing you really want to pay attention to is these numbers of clicks. In affiliate marketing, the average is going to be 250, I'd say, to 300 clicks. And see, I ain't even quite got up there before you get, 1, 2 sales. Sometimes it's better, sometimes less, worse. But just pay attention to these. That's it. And it's going to take you a little time to build this up. Please don't expect this to happen overnight. It might be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks before you get your first sale. I think it was, 6, 7 weeks before I actually got my first sale in multiple income funnel. But and as far as being an affiliate for this, it's up to you. It pays in 5 different levels. All you have to do is come to the affiliate and read the compensation plan. Only $5 a month, but daisy chaining yourself under the 2 under yourself will give you 2 months free after 6 months. I believe 6 months, yeah, because it pays out at $30. So yeah, 2 months free for the year, yeah. So anyway, that for the time being, that's going to be it, and I will be putting out another video where I actually do this live. I'm sorry, I keep saying live, not live, where I do this for real, and you can watch and see how I do it. And this is my daily routine. I do it every single day. I do have a full-time job as a truck driver, so as I do it, I try to do it as much as I can within a 24-hour period. That's another thing. You can only send these out every 24 hours, in the mailing system. But see, it's got a countdown timer down here. I can't send out for another 15 hours, so and this is CAN spam compliant. If you want to read all that, it's only for people looking to make money that have actually opted into some type of online money making system or something of that nature. So don't worry, you're not going to get scolded by anybody for sending out emails. They're expecting them. They want to see them. And as far as this goes, this system costs you $60 to get it started. $30 a month. So that's $1 per day for 1 to 200 leads. Nowhere have I found in the last couple of years I've been in affiliate marketing are you going to find that. And you will actually get leads. I will actually show you here in my leads. Show them emails. I had to block them out, but anyway, that's where you'll see that, and in here. So do me a favor, if you ain't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and give it a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you.